Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create text to video in Canva. I will leave a direct link down below in the description. You can go for it, sign in, and once you sign in, you will find here this page. Now click on create the design, then choose video. I will go for this option. And now we should go to apps and search for Magic Media. And here we'll find the app right here. Just add the Magic Media application. Then click on Magic Media right here, choose videos. And now you should type any prompt that you need in order to create a video. So I will type raining ocean in the dock, then click on enter. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes till it create your video. After that, here you will find the video. If you want to regenerate it again, just click on generate again. And now we can drag the video like this and add it to your workspace. Now I can play it. As you can see, now it's playing. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.